Evening again, guys. So, after doing that last overview for a Rancher 61 Powerhead that had come to me, part exchanged against another saw, I thought, I've got one of my other Rancher 61s here, which I have never cut with this saw, and I thought I'll take the opportunity today just to see how she runs. I'm going to try to go through all of my older saws now and just run them through wood and just see how they perform compared to some of the older, bigger engine saws I have as well. So this will be exciting for me. So she's 1978 on with 15-inch bar and chain. Apparently, like I said before, 3.6 horsepower. Can run up to anything up to a 28-inch bar, so they say. Although I've never seen one with that big a bar. I've seen one with a 24, but I've never seen one with these with a 28-inch bar. So this one had a rebuilt full start housing. It had new felling spike, new carburetor kit, new fuel pickup, etc., etc. Even had a rebuild on the chain brake housing, a real improvement over the 280 or 380 or 480 chain brake. This was just a lot simpler to work on and put back together, so I found this chain brake a real improvement over the slightly earlier models. Okay, let's see how she cuts. I've got some timber between 10 and 12 inches, so I'll do a few cuts and I can't wait to see how she performs. First time ever on camera. Kill switch, bit of choke. Great compression engine, been well looked after. Okay guys, so although I thought she was sharp, she's evidently going to need touching up the chain, so I'll touch up the chain. Hopefully 10 minutes, I'll be back and we'll try her again. Bye for now, guys. Evening again, guys. Well, I've had to switch camera because the battery went flat while I was sharpening the chain. So I don't know what the quality's like, and I think the light's about to catch me out. So, but I'm really keen now to see whether or not dressing the chain has made any difference whatsoever. So I might just finish off this one piece, and then I'll come back tomorrow when it's a little bit lighter, and we'll do it again in better light. Kill switch. Hey guys, wow, what a difference if you just put the edge back on the chains again. Like I said, I've never cut with her before, and the chain looked sharp, but obviously the edges were just slightly over, and she cuts fantastic. So that's my gorgeous Rancher 61. I think what I'll do tomorrow when it's a bit lighter, we'll get I've got a 162 SG with heated grips, so the forefather to the 61 if you like, professional saw, and maybe I'll pit them up against the Danarm 71 and we'll cut some timber and see just how the Rancher 61 compares against the 162 and the Great British Danarm 71. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.